In today's video, we will guide you through step 1 of creating your Moneo Cloud instance, starting out with creating your mobile IIoT account. So let's get started. Your journey of the Moneo Cloud experience will begin after the purchase of the QCM 100 Moneo Cloud license. You will start off by receiving an email after the purchase. The email will contain the license activation code as well as a link to create your mobile IIoT account. If you are a new user, you will need to sign up for the mobile IIoT account first. The required fields for creating an account are a QCM 100 license activation code, a valid email address, and a contact phone number. Make sure the email address belongs to the person who will be managing the Moneo Cloud instance. Once completed, a prompt will appear confirming your request has been received, and you'll be receiving a confirmation email within 24 hours. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.